everybody, and welcome back to Visit Fylde Coast. And if you've missed me, this is this week's new videos on a beautiful bright blue sky. Put my teeth in. So we've had a week off work, and that's been followed by a week of rain. But when we came back, there were all kinds of new interesting things to look at in Blackpool, and this is one of them. This is House of Cards, so we're going to take a look round it and see what it is and what it does. But first of all, don't forget, make sure that if you've not done so already, that you subscribe. Ooh, look! Great big plane. Make sure that you subscribe to the Visit Fylde Coast YouTube channel. Make sure that you've hit that little bell for notifications, and make sure that you get your weekly email newsletter as well, and then you'll find out about all the interesting things that are going off on this fabulous coastline. So, House of Cards, as you can hear, we're back in windy weather. They were complaining that there'd not been enough wind for the wind turbines. Well, it's back. So it's Lightpool Festival until the 30th of October, and House of Cards, this collection in front of us, which you can see is actually a House of Cards, is one of the new installations, and this is actually a UK premiere of this piece of artwork, and it's very clever and very effective. Now, you know people that I am nocturnal and I am not allowed out once it goes dark, so if the T-boys come expeditioning into Blackpool, I'm sure we'll get to see this at night, but otherwise we'll take a good look round it in the daylight, shall we? So it's comprising 128 light boxes in the form of playing cards, and when they started assembling it, I'd actually driven down the prom and thought, what on earth are they doing? Because from a distance it just for all the world looked like they were actually cards stacked up. And you can see there the name of the installation and the people that have done it. So you can see the proper light boxes dropped into a steel framework that sort of holds it all together. And it's been created through collaboration with 35 internationally acclaimed street and visual artists. And you can see that each one has got a different design on it. There's loads of different ones. I like that deer there. No idea. They're all really different and really unique. They're very good, actually. I've been having a look around them. That's nice. I like that one up there. That queen. That one. And that's nice. In fact, they're all nice. They're all really good. So as I said, it's premiering in the UK for the first time, and it's already wowed audiences in Amsterdam, Berlin, Bucharest and Milan. So it's been all the way around the world, and then it's come back to Blackpool. And why not? Why not indeed? So it looks quite, as you can see, there's quite a few people around it looking at it in the daylight, and it's quite stunning. You don't miss it. It's not small. That's obviously the control box in the middle that makes the magic happen. I like this fence as well. I've just been admiring that and wondering where they got that from. It's plastic, would you believe? You always trust me, can't you, to spot the minor details. That's nice. I like that joker. Patrice Merciano did that one. So the 35 artists from all over the world, and it's a multi-sensory choreographed display that collapses and rebuilds before your eyes. So electronically, obviously, it's not going to collapse, because that would be dangerous, wouldn't it? So it's not going to collapse physically, but at night when it's dark, electronically the cards light up and go off in sequence, so that they look like they're actually folding and unfolding and moving. So in the daytime it's white and colourful, And they describe it on their website as being minimalistic, clean, sexy and sleek. Oh, goodness. That must be the generator that's fueling the fuel for the electric. That one's nice, isn't it? I like that one. That Joker. They're really nice. Could stand here all day looking at it. So at night it's colourful, vibrant and a really attractive light show. So have you been to see it at night? Are you allowed out after tea? Unlike your host for today. Because if you have, put a comment underneath. Put a comment and tell us what you think to it and whether you think it's a Bobby Dazzler on Blackpool seafront. And it was created by the OG group, who are from Israel. And if you noticed, I pointed out the aim of the installation underneath here, where it says OG group. And that's their name, look. I really like that. I think that would be a nice... Something similar would be a nice permanent fixture, wouldn't it? So I've taken some photographs for posterity. And we've got some nice images of it against the blue sky. So if you come into Blackpool to enjoy Lightpool Festival, you've got until the 30th of October to enjoy that one. And that is House of Cards. And it's part funded by the European Regional Development Fund. So I hope you've enjoyed this little look round this one particular installation. As you can see, there are other things on the promenade. There are the beach balls, and there's a big stack of crates here, which is quite interesting. So we're going to take a look at the light trail. So make sure you've subscribed to Visit Fylde Coast on YouTube, and you've hit that little bell for notifications, and then you'll find out when we've uploaded our video of the light trail. So we're going to go and have a look and explore all of it. So you'll have a lovely day and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.